So now you have your Stax, but it's really boring if you're all alone, so let's invite some coworkers to join. In this video, I'll show you how you can invite your coworkers so the collaboration can begin.
Let the collaboration begin. We're still in Stax settings, so we need to go to the Members settings. Now that we're in Members, you can see our admin accounts and a box below where you can add a new member. We're going to add my sister Kelsey to our Stax team. First, we'll put in her name, then her email address, and then we'll click Invite. You can see how the rectangle around her name now has diagonal bars. This means that her account is pending. I have her email open here. Don't tell her. I'm just kidding. I'm her sister, so I have all her passwords. Let's open the invite email from Pinetree Software. Here we can see that Demo Team has invited her to join their team on Stax. Let's click the link. Now we have to create a secure password, so let's do that. Just like before, Stax will have you confirm it, so make sure that they match. Now we're in Kelsey's Stax account. Let's log out and go to the original admin account. Now we can go back to Settings, into Members, and we can see that Kelsey's account here no longer has those diagonal bars because she confirmed her account. You can continue to add your coworkers to your Stax account, but don't forget that you have limited number of users allowed based on the plan that you chose at the beginning. Kelsey currently only has basic user privileges, which means that she doesn't have access to the Settings page. To make her an admin, just toggle the user button and it will change to admin. You have to click the Save Settings button to confirm your changes. If someone forgets their password, admins can click the Reset Password button and add a temporary password, and that'll be generated. This temporary password can be sent to the user and they can log in with that temporary password and change their password. As an admin, you have the ability to suspend a user account. Now you have friends. Congratulations! In the next video, I'll show you how to set up email intercepts so Stax can automatically receive your documents, sort through them, and index them.